Over 30 years in advanced materials analysis, Brighton Science has developed a unique measuring technology that applies the known technique of using contact angle measurements to estimate the level of surface energy. This is a proven qualification step in creating predictable performance in bonding, coating, sealing, painting, printing, and cleaning. Historically, this work was done using a goniometer and limited to the laboratory, and has been a routine part of scientific research for decades. As sophisticated advanced materials began to be widely used in manufacturing processes, it also moved beyond controlled environments and as part of field operations in aerospace, construction, and service. The drive for improved quality also meant that manufacturers wanted to track, trend, and trace all measurements that would help control the quality of their products. Now there is an opportunity for a device that can measure the contact angle for a variety of surfaces, various geometries in many environments, in any orientation. Brighton Science saw an opportunity to apply inkjet printing technology, advanced lighting, and image analysis software to be able to provide this valuable estimate in handheld and automated applications. To help you assess our Surface Analyst technology, we'd like to describe the principles of how it works. When measuring on parts from a manufacturing line, preserving their integrity is crucial, especially when they are delicate or high-value parts where any alteration could have significant consequences. The water cartridge that we provide with each device delivers HPLC-grade water. It is highly purified and eliminates any impurities that could interfere with the accuracy of the Surface Analyst. By using HPLC-grade water, this allows for repeated measurements without damaging the surface. Providing valuable information for quality control and surface characterization across every industry. One of the most important innovations of the Surface Analyst technology was the development of ballistic deposition, which is the ability to deposit a liquid drop on a surface. This is done through a pressurized microfluidic system that builds a drop on a surface through a pulsed stream of microdroplets. This deposition process allows drops to be rapidly built on surfaces regardless of orientation or curvature. Putting this technology in the hands of the users not only allows them to quickly print a liquid drop of HPLC-grade water quickly, but allows for objective, extremely sensitive, and repeatable measurements of surface chemistry that are especially convenient to ensure top-of-the-line process control in manufacturing. Through lighting and a tiny camera, the universal inspection head is equipped with a feature called dynamic detection, which uses a combination of vision tool sets to accurately measure the contact angle of a water drop. Historically, companies use a benchtop goniometer and painstakingly go through the process to analyze 2 points and approximate the water contact angle of a droplet. Within seconds, dynamic detection uses a top-down imaging approach to analyze up to 200 points around the entire drop. The measurement provides a contact angle that more accurately represents a droplet's interaction with the surface, eliminating the need of a benchtop goniometer and having to view the drop from the side. One of the many benefits of this method is that we can measure into crevices, as well as in rapid serial applications through an automated source. The universal inspection head features an automatic pressure control system that compensates for movement during inspections and stabilizes temperature within the unit. The system also allows the sensor within the head to monitor the hydraulic pressure and overall system performance, giving the Surface Analyst precise drop deposition as it travels through the 2-foot tether that connects from the Surface Analyst to the universal inspection head. The size of the water drops used for different applications varies based on specific requirements such as material type, the type of geometries a part may have, and so on. Unlike most surface analyzers, our technology has the ability to measure surfaces down to 1 millimeter wide. Think of coated surfaces such as a syringe, an optical component, or a printed circuit board. Drops are non-destructive to your surfaces and will evaporate in seconds to minutes depending on your working environment. Our Surface Analyst line is a revolutionary technology that has been instrumental in helping manufacturers across the world. Its capabilities have made the Surface Analyst an invaluable tool across various industries such as film and flexible packaging, aerospace, automotive, medical devices, consumer goods, and electronics. Within each of these industries, we can measure on surfaces including composite materials, polymers, metals, glass, certain textiles, and ceramics. Through rigorous evaluation and external audits, our product has proven its adherence to the ISO 9001-2015 guidelines, ensuring that it meets the highest quality standards for use on your manufacturing line. This certification demonstrates our commitment to customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and effective quality management systems. Brighton Science calibrates the instrument to meet the needs of quality programs. Trust in our certified product to enhance our operational efficiency and deliver superior quality.